Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Aaron, and in this one, I'm going to show you how to make some nice steaks out in Glamis, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so one of the things that was taught to me for cooking steaks is actually get a fork and like do some holes, do some poking on top of both sides of the steak here. So that's what we're gonna do first. So we're gonna poke these holes so that the Worcestershire sauce gets in there and the SPG. Then I'm gonna take the Worcestershire sauce, however you say it, and put that on there. Like so. Like that. Then we get some SPG, some salt, pepper, and garlic. Put that on there. Flavor. Do both sides, like so. Get the fork. And the guy that taught me this little trick is actually, his name is Brian Wells, one of my friend's dads, who used to always take me out to the river with their family. And he taught me how to do this. Just get the fork here and get some holes in there so the flavor gets down in the meat. And then we're also gonna throw some butter on here too while it's cooking. So get your SPG. Just let it sit on there while the coals heat up. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the barbecue. So yeah, for this video we're gonna be cooking on the charcoal pit here, the Weber. But I mean, you can use a Traeger or a Blackstone griddle if you want. But yeah, we're gonna throw the grates on now. Get these cleaned off a little bit, and then we'll start cooking. Alright guys, here's our steaks. We're gonna throw them on right now. And again, we're doing indirect heating, so we have the coals over on this side right here, but no coals over here. So we're gonna start off over here. Woo-wee! That looks good. Okay, so real quick, I just wanna mention why you would wanna cook on a barbecue or a griddle or a smoker if you're out in Glamis. And the reason why you want to cook outside is because you don't want to stink up your trailer, and you want to use at least the amount of dishes as possible. Okay, so if you cook outside, you actually use less dishes. Okay guys, it's been about 5.5 minutes. Let's give it a little peek here. Not bad, not bad. Let's give it a flip here. Oh yeah, those look good. And then guys, while we're at it, I'm gonna throw some butter on there too. And we're also gonna throw a little more Worcestershire sauce on there too. Whoops, a little too much there. Maybe I should keep the top on. There we go. Alright, let's cover it up. And then also guys, just get a bag of instant mashed potatoes too, or get a few bags. Throw in some boiling water in your trailer. You can also get a can of baked beans too to make in your trailer too. But yeah, get some instant mashed potatoes. Now guys, one thing I do want to mention is that we are doing the reverse sear method. So it has been another 5.5 minutes or so, but one thing I want to mention is we are doing the reverse sear method, which means we have the coals up to one side and no coals under here. And a little bit, we're gonna put them on top of the coals and then sear them on both sides. So stay tuned. But let's give them a flip here. Oh yeah, those look good. Those look really good. And then I got some leftover butter too, so I'm gonna butter up a few of these slices here. Steak. Right there, and one right there. So let's keep that going. I'm actually gonna throw some more sauce on there too. Oh yeah. Okay, so we cooked the steaks about 5.5 minutes on each side, not on top of the coals. So I have this digital thermometer here. I'm gonna give them a check right now. Oh, those look so good. A little flip here. Next, we're gonna take the thermometer here, it's like this, and get these on Amazon. We're gonna take this and probe the meat, see what it looks like. Pull these over here real quick. We're at 139, that one. Yeah, these are about done. We got to about 140 on one of the steaks. You wanna get to about 135 or so. And this one is at 140, the middle one, the one in the middle is at 140. This one's at 145. So I'd probably call these done. Okay, let's pull these babies off, huh? Whee! Oh. Oh yeah. Look at those, dude. Look at those things. Okay guys, let's see how these steaks look, huh? Alright, see how this one looks right here. Hopefully it looks okay. Cut it here in the middle. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at that, guys. Perfect, I'd say medium rare. Okay, so here's our plate. We got our steak, we got our instant mashed potatoes, and we have a nice salad too. So yeah, this is a real easy meal to make out in Glamis. All you obviously need is your steak, some instant mashed potatoes, and some salad mix. And you got yourself a nice gourmet meal. So yeah, just wanted to share it with you guys, and we'll see you next video. Peace.